Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to delete old Facebook comments that you left on Facebook. Let's assume a comment that you left on Facebook 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. This is actually how to see all of them. Now go over to Facebook application and have it open. Now before we go ahead and look for the old post that we've liked, let's randomly leave a comment on this new video. I'm going to say I did not really watch that video. I just hope it's not a bad video. So I just left a comment on this video and I said what a show. Now this is a comment. I want to use that to actually teach you the old one. Now to see the old comments you have left on Facebook, there are multiple ways to do that. You click on your profile icon, or you click on your profile icon just on the top area. Right here, this profile icon right here. You can either click here or you click here. Now, the next place to click on is right here. Just click on your profile name or your profile image. Now, after you click on this area, the next thing you do is to click on this three-dotted icon right here. You click on that, and then you notice where it says activity log. You click on your activity log right here. So once you've done that, it's going to bring you to this area. Now, you need to swipe left on this area. This is exactly where I mean. Just in case you are not seeing my mouse, you swipe left from story, swipe left, and then until you see your comment. Now you can see where it says your comments. Now this is the comments that you have actually left on videos or posts. Now when you click on this, you can see the recent comments that I left on this video. You can see that what a show, right? Now you can see this one I also left a few minutes ago. And now you can keep scrolling down and you'll be seeing different dates. Now we are in 2024. Because I do not make so many posts. That's the reason why you will see that I do not have so many posts. Now you can go ahead and backdate 2 years later or three years before. Now you can click on this filter icon. The filter icon is just this particular icon right here. You click on that, then it's going to show you this area. Now you click on date. So it's going to rewind you to the previous date. You click on this area and then you click on start date. Now you pay attention to the year. Click on that and then choose the exact year. Let's say 2021, and I am okay with the year, and then click on the end year. I'm going to make this 2023, and then I'm going to say okay, and I'm going to click on done, and then I'm going to see every comment I left on different posts. Okay, let's assume in this one, this particular one right here. Click on it, and okay, Facebook is weird. Now it's not showing me my post, but I've actually left my post. But anyway, if you want to delete your post, all you need to do is to click on this three-dotted icon right here. It's going to show you some option. You can notice delete. Now the annoying thing is I did not actually see the exact post I left on that video, the exact comment I left on the video. Okay, I can see this one clearly, yeah, but I did not see the one from that Meta creator. Let me scroll down a little bit more. So these are the posts I left on videos. Okay, this is a different page and there are comments on it. So guys, if you want to delete any of those posts, click on the three-dotted icon and then you click on delete, and then it's going to have deleted them. You notice it says something went wrong. Don't worry, it actually got rid of it. Delete. So it actually deletes. For you to confirm that, go back and then come right back in the comment section, and then you do the same research and you are no longer going to see that particular comment. Click on it, select the date. I think that should be 2001. Okay. And this should be 2002, right? 2003. Okay. Done. You can see the comment is no longer there. If you remember, there were 2 Jacksons and it's no longer there. But if for some reason, you can also click and then delete, and it should actually delete. So this, guys, is all I want to show you on this video. If you have further questions regarding this, leave it on the comment section. I will see you guys on my next video. Stay safe and peace.